Hi, my name is Ursus Perez, and for my evidence tree for scientific thought, I'll be talking about COVID 19. First of all, we all know that COVID 19, we think that is a type of coronavirus. So, let's start with that. Coronaviruses are a type of virus. So, what exactly is a virus? So, viruses are microscopic parasites, generally much smaller than bacteria. They lack the capacity to thrive and reproduce outside of a host body. Viruses are like the most common thing on Earth. The most common biological entities there are. Experts estimates that there are like it goes beyond the trillions of them, and if they are lined up, like it will stretch from one side of the galaxy to another one. Like there's so much. The most important viruses to humans are basically the ones that infect us. So some families of viruses, such as, for example, herpes viruses, can stay dormant in the body for long periods of time without causing negative effects. So, in evolutionary terms, there is often a trade-off for a virus between replicating and doing harm to the host. So, basically, it says that a virus that replicates like crazy and kills its host very quickly may not have the opportunity to spread to a new host. Like, no. On the other hand, a virus that replicates slowly and causes little harm may have plenty of times to spread. So, once a person is infected with a virus, their body becomes a reservoir of virus particles which can be released in bodily fluids, such as by coughing, sneezing, or by shedding skin, or in some cases even touching surfaces. The virus particles um, the various particles may then either end up on a new potential host or an inanimate object. Then, what is a coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a family of hundreds of viruses that can cause fever, respiratory problems, and sometimes gastrointestinal symptoms too. The 2019 coronavirus, or as we know it, COVID 19, is one of the seven members of this family known to infect humans. So there are hundreds of coronaviruses, but only seven infect the us humans. And the third in the past 3 decades to jump from animals to humans, as I just said. Since emerging in China in December, this new coronavirus has caused a global health emergency. So, coronaviruses are a group of related RNA viruses that cause diseases in mammals and birds. In humans, these viruses cause respiratory tract infections that can range from mild to even lethal. Mild illnesses include some cases of the common cold, while more severe or lethal varieties can cause either SARS, MERS, and COVID, which is basically what we're living as of now. And lastly, COVID 19 and SARS CoV number 2. What is it? We all have heard of them. So, for easier understanding, COVID 19 is the name of the disease caused by SARS CoV 2 virus. Viruses and diseases they cause have different names. So, for example, AIDS is the disease caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV. COVID is an acronym that stands for Coronavirus Disease of 2019. So, as I just said, the virus itself, it's named SARS-CoV-2 virus. That's the virus. COVID-19 is the disease, the name of the disease that this virus causes on humans. So, to get you in context, on December 31, 2019, a strange new pneumonia of unknown cause was reported to the Chinese WHO country office. A cluster of these cases had appeared on Wuhan, a city in Hubei province of China. These infections were found to be caused by new coronavirus, which was given the 2019 novel coronavirus. It was called like that, 2019 novel coronavirus. It was later renamed Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2, it's or SARS-CoV-2, by the International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses on February 11, 2020. It was named SARS-CoV-2 because the virus is a genetic cousin of the coronavirus, um, which caused the SARS outbreak in 2002. It was the original SARS COVID, the coronavirus. I'm sorry. The unofficial name for this virus, like the one we're living in right now, the one that has caused the pandemic, the unofficial name is COVID-19 virus. That's how we people call it. But actually, well, we should call it SARS-CoV coronavirus number two. That's the scientific name. So that'll be it for this presentation. I hope you liked it and I hope you really understood some things. So, thank you. Peace out.